All English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to All English Podcast. Today's episode is special. Today, we will talk about how you can learn English at home from zero to hero without going to any classes. You will hear real conversations, real tips, and real motivation.
Hi, Sarah. I am here, but I am a beginner. I want to learn English, but I don't know where to start.
That is perfect, Leo. Many listeners feel the same. Today, we will guide you step by step.
And I am Lily. I am a more advanced learner. I studied English for many years and I can share what really worked for me.
Hello, everyone. I am Tom, a language learning specialist. I study how the brain learns languages and I teach people simple methods that actually work.
Hi everyone, I am Emma. I learned English completely at home. No classes, no teachers, no expensive courses. Just motivation, consistency, and good methods. If I can do it, you can do it too.
Before we start teaching methods, let's warm up with a simple question. Why do people want to learn English?
For me, I want to watch movies without subtitles. It is my dream.
For me, I want to travel and speak comfortably with people.
I wanted to learn English to get a better job.
And many people want to connect with the world, understand music, read books, or make friends.
Exactly, English opens doors. So let's open that door together today. Many people think you must go to a class to learn English, but that is not true. You can learn English at home if you use good methods.
The brain does not care where you study. The brain only cares about two things. One is repetition. Two is meaningful input. If you hear English every day and you understand the message, your brain learns.
So, I do not need a real teacher in front of me.
No, Leo. You can use podcasts, YouTube videos, apps, stories, and real conversations. The key is consistency.
I learned English using my phone, books, podcasts, and free videos. I studied every day, even for 10 minutes.
Sarah, many learners ask me why their English does not improve. What mistakes do they usually make?
Great question. Here are the top mistakes. 1. They only memorize vocabulary and forget to use it. 2. They study once a week instead of every day. 3. They watch English content but they do not focus. 4. They are afraid of making mistakes.
Wait, mistakes. I make mistakes every 5 seconds.
That is good, Leo. Mistakes mean you are learning. I made thousands of mistakes, and that is why I improved.
The brain learns from mistakes. If you never make errors, you never grow.
To learn English at home, you need the right mindset. You must think, I am learning a skill, not studying a school subject. Skills grow slowly and naturally.
Language learning is like learning to cook or learning to play piano. Little by little, practice makes progress.
So if I study a little every day, I will improve.
Yes, 10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Consistency is more important than perfection.
Now let's practice with a simple story. I want you, listening at home, to imagine this story. Emma is sitting in her room. She opens her notebook. She listens to an English podcast. She repeats the sentences. She writes a new word. She smiles because she understands. This is learning at home.
That sounds simple.
Because it is. The process is simple. The challenge is showing up every day.
If you're listening right now, I want you to know something. You can learn English. You are not too old. You are not too busy. You are not too late. You just need the right methods.
And today, we will give you all of them.
People think learning English at home is hard, but the truth is, it's easier than ever. You just need the right strategy. So, Emma, how did you start?
I started with one simple rule. Expose yourself to English every day. Not studying, just listening and reading.
But what if I don't understand anything?
That is normal. In the beginning, understanding is not the goal. Exposure is the goal. Your brain is collecting patterns.
Exactly. When babies learn their first language, they do not understand anything at first, but they hear words constantly. The brain absorbs the rhythm, sounds, and patterns.
That is why listening every day is the most important habit.
Okay. Tom, can you give us a perfect, simple routine for beginners?
Of course! Here is the ideal routine. Morning. 10 minutes listening to slow English. 10 minutes reading simple sentences. Afternoon. Learn 5 new words. Make 3 simple sentences. Evening. Watch 1 short English video. Repeat some sentences after the speaker.
This looks easy, but I always forget to do it every day.
Here's a trick. Do not force yourself to study for a long time. Just do small things many times.
Consistency beats intensity every single time.
Let's talk about pronunciation. People think they need a teacher to correct them. Is that true?
No. You can train pronunciation at home. Here is the method. 1. Listen to a short clip. 2. Pause after 1 sentence. 3. Repeat it out loud. 4. Compare your sound to the original.
But my voice sounds strange.
Everyone's voice sounds strange when they hear it recorded. Don't worry.
When I practiced, I repeated 1 sentence 10 times. After 3 months, my pronunciation became much better.
How do we learn words without forgetting them?
Most people read words once and forget them. Here is what you should do. 1. Learn the word. 2. Make 1 sentence. 3. Use the word in your daily life. 4. Review after 1 day, 3 days, and 1 week.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Let's say the word is remember. You can say, I want to remember new English words. Then use it today. Use it tomorrow. Your brain will keep it.
Also learn phrases, not single words. For example, make progress, take notes, have a conversation. These are more useful.
Grammar scares many beginners. How can we learn grammar simply?
Grammar is best learned through examples, not through rules.
When I was learning, I didn't start with grammar books. I started by noticing patterns.
What do you mean?
For example, I kept hearing, I am eating. He is working. She is studying. So I understood. Am, is, are plus the ing form of the verb means now.
Exactly. Learn grammar with context, not rules.
Listening is the hardest skill. So how can beginners improve?
Use this 3-step method. Step 1. Listen without caring if you understand. Step 2. Listen again and try to catch keywords. Step 3. Listen 1 more time and repeat after the speaker.
But what if I understand nothing?
Understanding is not the goal in the beginning. Familiarity is the goal. Your brain needs to hear English many times.
Let's talk about speaking. How can someone speak English alone at home?
Easy. You can talk to yourself.
Talk to myself. I will look crazy.
Only if someone is watching you. If not, it's perfect practice.
I did this every day. For example, I am making my breakfast. I will go to work in 1 hour. I am learning English now.
This trains your brain to think in English.
Many people start strong but quit after 1 week. Why?
Because they expect fast results. Language learning is slow, but the progress is real.
Even 5 minutes per day is good.
Sometimes I feel I am not improving.
That's normal. Everyone feels that. You improve silently. You just don't notice it immediately.
Tom, can you give us a 3-month plan?
Of course! Month 1. Build the habit. Listen every day. Learn 5 words per day. Read simple texts. Speak about your daily activities. Month 2. Build strength. Watch short videos. Shadow 10 minutes per day. Write short paragraphs. Learn phrases instead of words. Month 3. Build fluency. Consume more advanced content. Have simple conversations online. Record your voice. Review everything you learned.
Let's finish with 1 sentence of advice from each character.
Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean progress.
Repeat more. Repeating is the secret of fluency.
Have a daily routine. Small steps every day create big results.
You can learn English alone. You just need consistency, exposure, and patience.
And my advice, enjoy the process. English is not a subject. It is a tool to connect with the world. Thank you for listening to this special long episode. We hope it helps you in your English learning journey. See you in the next episode.